Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to use concatenate, lower, upper and proper formula in Excel. Let's start with the first one. What is concatenate function? The concatenate function allows you to combine text from different cells into one cell. Let me show you with an example. So now you can see here we have a data, first name, last name. Now let's see what does concatenate do. Let's start with the formula. To start with any formula, we type equal to sign, then formula name CON. Now it is showing. Now we'll press tab. It will open the bracket. Now it is asking for first text. This is our first text. Now after this text there is a comma. After the comma we have to give the second text. So this is our second text. Now bracket close. Now let's see what result we get with this formula. You can see this formula concatenate has combined both text Sunil Kumar, but there is a small problem with this. You can see both text has been combined, but there is no space in between Sunil Kumar. We want space as well. To get a space in between Sunil Kumar, what we'll be doing, we'll have to apply one space. So for this we need to go to formula again. To go to the formula, to edit any formula, you will have to press F2. Now we can see our formula. So what we have to do, after this text we have to add space. To apply space, we'll apply double quote. In between double quote we'll make one space, again double quote, then comma. Now enter. We have got a space between Sunil Kumar. This is very simple. If you want more space, you can give more space. You will have to do the same thing. F2, where I have given the single space. If you want more space, then you can give double space. Excel consider space also as a character, so always remember this. Now you can see I have given double space, so it will give a result with more space. Now you can see we got a more space in between Sunil Kumar, but we want single space. So what we'll do, we'll delete one space, we'll give only single space. So in the same way we'll get a result of rest of the names as well. What we have to do, just put your mouse here. When we are able to see this plus sign, just drag your mouse till the result we want. We have a data till yes all, so we have just drag the mouse till yes. And see, we have combined the first name and last name together. Now you must be thinking, what is the use of lowercase, uppercase and proper case? The lower, upper and proper function convert the case of letters in strings. What does lower function do? Lower function will convert any uppercase letter to lowercase. What does upper function do? Upper function will convert any lowercase letters to uppercase. This one proper. What does proper function do? Proper function converts the letter, first letter in each word to uppercase if it's lowercase, and converts any other. Proper function converts the letter in each word to uppercase if it's lowercase, and converts any other uppercase letters to lowercase. We'll apply the formula with equal to sign, lower, tab, bracket open. Now I have to select the text. This is the text, bracket close. Function has converted the letters to lowercase. In the same way, you have to hover your mouse here. If you see plus sign, then just double click. It will give the result of the rest. Tab open. Text. This is the text. Tab close. Now you can see what does upper function do. If you can see, now you can see this upper function has changed the name in capital letters. Function will convert the letters in capital. Alright, in the same way, I'll drag rest of the name. Now you can see all the name have been changed to capital. Now let's see what happens with proper. To apply any formula, start with equal to sign, proper, tab. Now I have to give the text. So this is the text, bracket close. So now you can see what proper function has done. This has write Sunil Kumar in proper way. As you can hover your mouse here, when you see a plus sign, just double click. It will give you the rest of results. You must have learned the uses of concatenate, lower, upper, and proper function. Let me show you to find out lower with concatenate function as well. So directly apply lower function with concatenate as well. It will help you to save time. So you can also use upper function with concatenate. Let me show you. I want to get the result, upper result with concatenate function. So what this will help you. You can also use lower with concatenate. See, let me show you how you can use concatenate with lower function. Now let me type formula with equal to sign, lower. Now I'll start with function concatenate. We have to give the first text. So this is the first text. Now comma. We also want a space in between Sunil Kumar. So we'll give double quote, one space, then again double quote, comma, or second text. Alright, bracket. So now we have to get a result, we have to give one more bracket close because we have applied two formula here. So now you can see the result. So now you can see you have got the result Sunil Kumar direct with this formula. You didn't use two formula, you used two formula together. You didn't use first concatenate, thereafter lowercase. So you can use this formula combined also. In the same way, you can also do with upper. Now concatenate. This is the text Sunil. After Sunil, and we'll give comma. After Sunil, we want a space also. So in double quote, we'll give one space. Then again double quote, comma. Also, what is the second text? This is the second text, Kumar. Now bracket close. We have to give one more bracket close because we have used two formula here. One is upper and concatenate both. Upper and concatenate both. Now you can see we have got the result Sunil Kumar. In the same way, we can do with proper as also. Proper, concatenate. So this is the first text, comma. Now we need space in between. So in double quote, one space, again double quote, comma. Now second text, second name Kumar. So this has we have closed the bracket for concatenate. So we are using two formula here. We'll be giving one more bracket to close this formula. Now you can see the result, Sunil Kumar. You must be thinking, what is the use of concatenate in between this with proper? You can see we have saved our time. Here what we did, we first combined first name last name with concatenate. Thereafter we applied one more formula, lower formula, to get it in small letters. Thereafter for upper, one more formula, proper. So what we did with this combined formula using concatenate with proper, we get the result all together. So this was the use of concatenate with this function also. So the more you practice, the more you will learn. This is the only way to
That's all
learn
from my
Excel.
side today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again. Have a good day.